Oh. Now then, moving swiftly on. Popsters, here we go with some tinkling sounds from a band that's creating a little bit of a buzz around the music scene at the moment, which is quite appropriate, really, because they're called Queen Bee. And they're going to give us a blast of their latest single, Red Hot Top Shot, Queen Bee. Oh, yeah, what about that, eh? Queen Bee, Eric Clapper, meet your Stratocaster. That was terrific, wasn't it, that? Right, we're going to be coming back after the break with Cynthia Payne and Leigh Bowery, so it's going to be tremendously avant-garde, isn't it? So make sure you're there, won't you? Be there.